Hello everyone, this is Dell Precision 7710. Recently the keyboard damaged by the liquid. As you can see, a lot of mark, greasy. So I need to replace it. And here is the replacement. This is for 17-inch Dell Precision 7710. So we're gonna replace it today. This is not too difficult to change it, but a little bit tricky. As you can see, there are a lot of connection, include the back lead and stuff. Okay, so first what you have to do, this one comes with a frame. So you need to take out the frame first. The frame, you can start with any flat opening tool. As you can see, there are a little bit of little gap. So open it like that and start from here. It's not gonna break, don't worry. Give it a little bit of time, otherwise you're going to break it. Alright, so you need that, don't throw it, keep it on the side. Now, this keyboard does have a lot of screws. So we're going to reuse this frame because the actual keyboard comes without frame. We definitely need that, okay? So leave it on the side. Now, before you open up the screws, what do you need to do? We need to close it, flip it, and then we need to take out the battery because all the keyboard connectors, I mean the flex cable underneath the battery and the hard drive. Okay, so open it. It should come out like that. Take out the battery by pulling this bar. And now the actual drive. This drive secured with few Phillips screws. So we're gonna open up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is just the external caddy because I have SSD right here. And then we need to disconnect all the flex cable from right here. Okay. Once you disconnect it, pull this out from the actual bracket. Otherwise it would be very difficult, and if you pull it, you might damage the actual connectors. Good. So once it's done, then you are free to go. Now there are a few screws which one secure the keyboard to the place. All of them same in size. So I found 3 through 6 and to 8. Let me double check if there is any more. Okay, so there are no more screws. Now we're gonna leave this up, not from the front side, from the bottom side. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit sticky because of the liquid. As you can see, crack noise. There is any screws? No more screws anyway. Good. So that's the actual keyboard. We're going to take the new keyboard without the frame. Good. Now it came up all the way in. Good. I can see. Okay. Okay, so before I connect it, I'll put the screws first. Okay. Now it's much better. Let's start with the screws. Alright, so everything is fine. The keyboard fitted properly. And right now I did realize the actual keyboard was US format and the actual frame is this one UK format and the actual frame is US format. So now I got two problems with the enter key and the shift key. But the thing is, the actual diameter, I mean the structures are fine. So what I need to do, I don't need to order another one, which one would cost me around £20. So what I can do, if I can cut this edge, then the enter key would fit in here, and the shift key, because of too big, I can put it together by cutting this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this one first. Okay, this side is cut already. Now that side. It's nearly done. And now I think I can cut it with this one. Yeah, that is absolutely fine. Now I need to double check if it does fit. Yes, it does. What I need to do, I need to file this up for a second. Good. Hopefully that should be all right. Yeah, little bit more I need to cut it or file it up. So in that way we can save £25. Sometimes it's very difficult to get the right model. So if you're really stuck, then this is a DIY way to fix your keyboard frame for Dell Precision 7710. Luckily the actual outside size is brilliant and it does match with the frame. Yeah, it should be fit now. That's brilliant. One more time and it should be fine. Let's double check. Yes, can you see that? It fixed already. And now we're going to cut this one, so it's going to be fine too. Either I can use both, but this seems is quite friendly. So let's cut it. Good. And from here as well. Good. So we're going to file this up just to fit the enter key inside. Should be fine because I can see. Okay, so we don't have to file up that much. Good. So now let's put it together. Yeah, so that's absolutely fine. As you can see, the both of the key keys are functional. So that's how to replace the keyboard for Dell Precision 7710. Also, with the same procedure, you can fix the frame issue. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Still, if you do have any question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.